Tonight I'm making Hawaiian fried rice. Just because it's raining outside doesn't mean we don't eat. Dice up 1 onion. Dice up 1 red and 1 green bell pepper. Chop up 1 cup of mushrooms. Got a hunk of ham, chop it up. Some fresh pineapple, cut it in chunks, about 1.5 cups. I got 3 cups of rice that I cooked yesterday. Some scallions. I find the most important thing when cooking fried rice is staging all of your ingredients. All right, we're gonna start by adding some bacon up to the griddle. Add the onions. We're gonna cook these for about 5 minutes till they're soft. I get a lot of comments on my videos of why I use bacon grease so much. I gotta tell you something, the flavor is unbelievable. I don't have to hassle with making bacon in the oven and straining it. This is so simple. We're gonna add the bell peppers and the mushrooms. We're gonna cook these for about 3 minutes. I'm drinking a Bright Cellars Pinot Noir called Vanishing Act. That's what's gonna happen to this bottle when I'm done cooking. Now we're gonna add the ham and the pineapple. The color and aroma is unbelievable right now. We're gonna add the day-old rice. Why day-old? Not sticky. All together. Add some garlic salt, salt and pepper, dark soy. And I like to use regular soy. I know you guys think it's a lot of salt. I love the taste. 4 eggs. Scramble these all up, combine it all together. Add in the juice of 1 lemon. Top with some scallions. Look how beautiful. Are you kidding me? You need to try this.